Nico Harrison is out as the GM of the Dallas Mavericks, and this might be one of the few cases where better late than never doesn't fully apply. He should have been out of there the moment he approached management offering to trade Luka because he thought he was getting chunky. If that's the case, get him a Factor subscription or get him a private chef. The fact that you traded him is absolutely asinine right after making the finals. This was the right move for the Mavericks, just way too late. Now what they need is they need to go find a GM who can be a true team builder. You have Cooper Flagg, an outstanding talent. You need someone who can build around him because this team was built around Luka and Kyrie, went to the finals, and now it just makes absolutely no sense with Kyrie injured and Luka no longer there. So they need someone who could build around Cooper Flagg for the future, utilize Anthony Davis and Kyrie when he comes back in the meantime, but this is Flagg's team. And Nico Harrison, not only did you trade Luka, not only did you trade him for an injury-prone older player, not nearly enough picks compared to Rudy Gobert got, you sent him to the Western Conference evil empire. He should not be a GM of a team ever again. I'm sorry, Mavericks fans, not all of you deserve this. Some of you did, but not all of you.